to fix the so maximum terminal reached error, maximum terminal reached error message. Okay, so you see here in our production, when you are logged to the system, so we are facing this issue, right? We are facing maximum number of terminals reached here. So even though system is free, but we are getting this error. So it's very different error here. Application server is currently loaded. Please try the error message. Let me see if anyone changed that any profiles here in the system first of all. So go to the USR, SCP, SID, SYS, so profile. In the profile, let me check any last modified. Today I changed it, but let me check if there are any other profiles they have changed or not. Maximum number of terminal, this, what is this parameter? I think someone changed this parameter. What is this? What is this parameter? Let me check. Yeah, you can see here. This is the parameter someone said wrongly here. See here, this parameter restricts the maximum number of users per instance. So means for this instance, only 2 users, right? So only 2 users. So it's not required, right? This parameter is not required. Someone configured yesterday 511, 1229, someone logged in, they have changed this parameter. Someone, they have connected yesterday, so 511, they have changed this parameter, right? So this parameter is not required. So if it is there, that's why we are facing this error, even though system is error. So this parameter is there. So that's why I will not give you access to that is production here. Production is the very important here. Okay, that's fine. Anyhow, we have the one common issue. So tomorrow someone asking you, so we are facing that maximum number of terminal error, something like that means first you need to check the, so what is the value of this parameter? So we'll see in the development here, right? We'll see in the development what is the error here. So I'm using the basis user, the same password here. Okay, so same password. So go to the RZ 10 or 11. 11, we will check the status of this parameter. So RDisk flash. So let me check this. This is the parameter. Here see 1000 configured, maximum number of logons 1000 is configured here. But in our case ECP, so 1000 is configured. We know, right? This is the restrictions. 1000 is configured. But in the ECP, so only 2 configured. So that is the reason yesterday I also tried to log in. We are getting the maximum number of trial. I thought of someone heavily using the system. Okay, let's leave it for some like this. But even after restart also we are facing this error means, so it's not good, right? It's not good. So now, so what we have to do? We have changed the parameter, even though it is not reflecting. Then, so this parameter is the static value. Then what we have to do for the static parameters?
Restart the system.
Yeah, restart the system now. Okay. So right click and just restart. Right click and restart here. Right. So if you restart it, it will be, now it will be allowed. This issue will be fixed now. Let's see. So that is the main problem here. So whoever doing the changes, please ensure. So if you are not sure, just ping in the group, ask someone whether this is valid or not. Okay. So why? Because it will impact the other users, especially for the production. You do anything in the ECD or ECQ, do anything, but don't do it in the production. So once you test it in the production development, okay, it is working, login. So normally in the real time, how will you do this kind of things here, parameter changes, right? So we have the 3 systems landscape, development, so quality and production systems, right? So in the development, quality, production systems we have. So whenever you are doing any changes in the production, we cannot directly do changes in the production. Remember this one. Why? Because tomorrow it's very important. They may ask you, will you directly do the changes in the production? No. If you say yes, then immediately he will ask you to leave the company. That is a very important. Okay. So we cannot do anything in the production directly here. So first you have to change that parameter value in the development. Okay, change the value. Anything you have to change in the development. So test it, restart it, test it. We are able to log in or not. Check that one. So you are facing same issues, then so stop the doing it in the quality and production. Just fix that error in the development. Why? What went wrong? So because of your parameter, now you see all these things are stopped now working. So now what you can do, you can change. So what you can do now, you can just do the changes here. If it is working successfully, then do the same changes in the quality. So same, it is working fine. Then you can do the change. You will get the confidence. Yes, my change will work in the production also. Then do the parameter changes in the production. This way, we will do the changes in the production in the live environment also. In the live, in the customer systems also, we will do the similar environment, similar things we will do it here. So development and the quality we will do. Then here we will take the gap, 1 week or 10 days, we will take the gap. Then in 1 day, 10 days, no issues with your quality development systems. Then we will implement in the production. So if you directly implement the production, now see developments or qualities are working, but these things are not working in the production systems. So these things are not working in the production systems. Development is working quality, which means you do directly change it in the production. Then what is the use of the development and quality? Why we have development quality? Why we introduced it? So before anything you are going to the production, make sure a small change also you need to do the development, working, quality, working, then we can do it in the production. That is the priority. Real time also we have to take care carefully. We have to plan it. Otherwise, so we will in the risk. We will be in the risk mode in the real time. Okay, risk mode in the real time. So make sure ensure that one. Now let's see in the production. Now you will log in now. Right? You see now you logged into the production system now. Previously, why? So because of the parameter is restricted. The parameter got restricted to log into the system. Now see, we logged into the production systems and we see everything is working as expected now. Everything is working. We see the yesterday's 3 dumps. So call remote function error and message type unknown. So something type unknown error. In the real time also in the last week, we got this error. Message type, this is unknown. So which means message type unknown means, so in the program, there is a program actually. In the program, in the line, there is a error. So we sent to the developers to fix the error actually. So this is the job name. They fixed that error. They will move the custom program and then change it here. So that is the way we have to do it. Okay. Now both are working. Don't restart. So now do the changes. Now we can work on the 2 systems here. So replicate the 2 systems, connect each other. So then, so now work it out. So now we fixed the error, right? Terminal reached error, we fixed because of the 1 parameter value. Okay. Let me check that value in the here. By default, 1000 is configured. By default, for instance, 1000 users can log in. If 1001 is coming, they may face the issues here. So if they want to change it, we can change it here. We can change the value here. So then the change the value. Maybe 1 weekend we can take the downtime. We can change it here. So that is the one thing we can do it here, right?
So we have issue with STMS in ECP. It's not getting added to the domain controller.
TMS is not configured. You need to configure from 000, right? Are you doing the same?
Yeah, I'm doing the same, but I'm getting error in ECD. Like ECP